350.
Welcome, people. I'm now going to reveal to you one of the mysteries of life. What is the sound of one hand clapping? And welcome. I'm going to tell you one of the...
Tomato face!
What is secrets of life giving a kid a seizure? And now... Yes, the skateboard goes flying across the screen. That's how you started showing flying skateboard across the screen. Because everybody's attention.
Okay. 289.
Welcome, people. I will now reveal to you one of the mysteries of life.
Oh! It would be
Good. But wait, we're going to stage this one, okay? What? Wait, no, cut that. Anyway, welcome, people.
You get it? I get it.
What?
You get what? Whatever you get.
What?
Now press the cut button.
What's up?
290. You're choking on a frog. 210.
Alright, be careful.
1315.
Welcome, people. I'm now going to reveal to you